Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So, I have a new set here of 2019 uncirculating coins, which this one's called Effigies Over Time. And in some ways, it's a little bit similar to the 50th anniversary of the 50-cent coin with all the effigies that are shown. There is obviously a difference, is that they're not all 50-cent coins. And we do have one additional effigy. So, packaged in the same way that the standard sort of uncirculating sets are sent. So, same sort of packaging, which is great, which is fine. And I think this set was $35 for this particular set. So let's have a closer look at it. All right. So once again, we've always got information regarding, in this case, each of the effigies that have been produced over the last, how long? What is it? When was the first one of the Queen? In 53, so it's been a fair while. And then each of the changes since then. So the 53, which we'll have a look at the moment, the 66, then the 85, the year 2000, which is the one and only one used on the Royal Visit coin, and 1998. So we which is the current one, and then now we're changing over to the new one. All right, so let's have a look at them now. So the difference is with the 5-cent coin there, we've got the very young Queen Elizabeth on there. So if we can zoom in a bit. It's very glary. I'll try and fix that up if we can. Hopefully you can see that there. I'll try not to get too much glare on it. But yeah, the young Queen Elizabeth, as seen on the pre-decimal coins, and then we have the next one up there, which is on the 10-cent coin, which is the one from 1966. Then we go down to this one, which is from 1985. So that's the 20-cent coin there. Then we changed over to what we are currently using, which occurred in 1998. And I think might be a little bit confused right now, but I think that one, can't remember. Oh, that must be, yeah, sorry. This one here is from the year 2001. And I'm pretty sure then this one, she looks a little bit older there, so that must be the new one that we're changing over to as of, must be 2020. So, yeah, so I do love this 5-cent coin. That looks cool with the young Elizabeth on there. And it's almost like a second set this year in some ways, even though these guys aren't going to be in circulation. Really, the only one that's in circulation is the 50-cent coin. I think that's probably what will be. I don't know if any have been produced, but that's possibly the effigy that's going to be on the 2019 coin, I would have thought, unless they change things and mix it up a little bit. But as we can see, the reverse is all the same on each of the coins. So we don't know what the mintage is. I don't think we know what the mintage is. It doesn't say on here what the mintage is. I think sometimes it depends on what they sell, but I don't think it is even written on the Royal Australian Mint shop site. But anyway, that doesn't really matter. If you like the set, buy it. $35. So yeah, certainly well worth holding on to, and something that will certainly be collectible. And yeah, certainly buy it if you like it. Buy it. because these things, once they do sell out from the mint, tend to go up in value. So yeah, check out your local coin dealers, coin shops. They will certainly have these in stock. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon.